Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining about the reverse parking system on this car. This is the Hyundai Exter SX AMT variant. So we are in neutral at the moment. Let me slot to R reverse. So when you slot to reverse, you will get the reverse camera display here. And this does not have the dynamic guidelines because this is the SX variant. These are static guidelines here. And here on the information cluster you get the proximity indicated by sensors, right? If there's an object that is too close to the car, it will show up in red. Let me show you that. So you can see that when I place the tripod close to the ultrasonic sensor, it shows up in red. That means the object is too close to the car. So please be careful. There are three different modes. One shows up in green, the other in yellow, and the third one in red. This clip should give you an idea of the quality of the rear view camera. Certainly not the best, but thanks to the reverse lights in the brake lights, it is able to light up the surroundings and you are able to see what is happening in the rear view camera.